Hello friends, welcome back to DataDesk Pro. Guys, in today's sessions, we will continue learning the if formula. In the previous sessions, we learned how to use if formula with text data. I hope you practiced it. Now in this sessions, we will learn how to use if formula with numeric data, plus a bonus trick, conditional formatting. So let's get started. Guys, here we have a data set with age column. Now imagine your boss says, give 10,000 bonus to employees whose age is more than 50. First go to the result cell, type equal, if, open the bracket and click FX button. Dialog box will open. Now fill logical text, select A cell, C3 cell, type greater than 50. Value if true, type 10,000. Value if false, type 0 and click OK. Now drag the formula down. Guys, one pro tip shortcut. Instead of dragging manually, go to the corner of the cell and double click. It will automatically apply the formula to all rows. Now suppose your boss says, give bonus to employee who are 50 or above. So we change condition, select the data, click FX button and type greater than equal 50 and click OK and double click at corner. Guys, see the result. Now even age 50 will get bonus. Again your boss says, give 10,000 to 50 and 50 plus and 5,000 to others. Now we change conditions. First select data and click FX button. Remove 0. Type 5,000 and click OK and double click at corner. Guys, see the result. 50 and above will get 10,000 bonus. Below 50 will get 5,000 bonus. Now bonus trick, conditional formatting. Now let's highlight it 10,000 value in green color. First select the bonus column. Go to home tab. Click conditional formatting. Go to highlighted cell rule and click equal to. Now type 10,000 and choose green color. Now click OK. And guys, see the result. All 10,000 values are now highlighted in green. So guys, in this session, you learned if formula with numeric data greater than and greater than equal to, autofill shortcut, conditional formatting. Now your turn. What did you learn from this video? Where will you use this in real life? Comment your top 3 learnings. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to DataDesk Pro because next sessions will be even more advanced and powerful. Thanks for your watching. See you in the next sessions.